Hi guys. This is a hair trimmer. It makes a lot of noise and doesn't work properly. Today I will show you a very simple method how to reduce the noise of any trimmer and make it vibrate properly. Hope you watch the full video. It makes so much noise that it is unusable. It doesn't vibrate at the right level even after tuning it to reduce the noise, so it doesn't work with it. It makes a lot of noise when it vibrates. Open the trimmer by unscrewing all the screws. Remember to remove the power plug before unscrewing. Now it is being launched while open. Care must be taken while doing this to avoid electric shock. Therefore, work can be done on a wooden chair with the feet off the ground. It is now running with great noise. Vibration is okay, but noise is too much. The power plug must be removed again. It is a thin rubbery material. I split it into 2 pages. And note that this object must be long from the beginning to the end of the magnetic rod. If it's too short, then it will move from side to side at any time, then it won't work properly. If it does not enter easily between the magnetic bars, then the screw should be loosened and taken out. If it becomes empty, then the object should be entered like this. Now turning on the trimmer in the open position. Wow! It came out due to vibration. There is nothing to worry about. Reinstalling the object and placing the cover over it will stop the rubber object coming out. I hope you understand. Now the noise is very less and the vibration is fine. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and share to your friends, and you can tell me more about it by comment. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and press the bell button to get the next video. Thank you very much and best wishes for you.